What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that helps you stay focused and productive. It breaks your workday into short, timed intervals, called Pomodoros, usually 25 minutes of work, followed by a 5-minute break. This simple approach aims to reduce distractions and make long tasks feel more manageable, helping you maintain energy and balance throughout your day.
Setting up for success.
Start by choosing a task you want to work on and gathering everything you'll need. Eliminate distractions, silence notifications, and close unrelated tabs. Set a timer for 25 minutes. When you're ready, commit your full attention to the task until the timer rings. This preparation ensures you can get the most out of each Pomodoro session without interruptions.
Work, rest, repeat.
Work on your task until the timer sounds, marking one complete Pomodoro. Take a relaxed 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, or grab water. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This cycle of focused work and regular breaks supports sustained concentration while preventing burnout, making your workday more balanced.
Adapting the technique to your day.
The Pomodoro Technique isn't one size fits all. Adjust your work and rest intervals to fit your workload and energy levels. Some people prefer shorter Pomodoros or longer breaks. Use your break times to reset, move around, and clear your mind. Experiment to discover what rhythm helps you stay productive and motivated throughout the day.
Maximizing productivity and balance.
Regularly review your completed Pomodoros to track progress and spot patterns in your productivity. Celebrate small wins and don't worry if you occasionally need longer breaks. By making the Pomodoro Technique a habit, you'll find it easier to maintain balance, avoid mental fatigue, and achieve more in less time, both at work and in daily life.